Hi guys, so this video shows how to install MIUI 12 control center in any Xiaomi devices. So first let me open Play Store, then search for MI control center notifications and quick actions, then tap on install. Okay, installation completed. Let me open MI Control Center app. Then here we need to enable these three options. First tap on dual SIM, tap on allow, then tap on accessibility, more downloaded services, tap on MI Control Center, then accessibility, enable it, then tap on allow, then go back, then notifications, tap on that, then tap on MI Control Center, then tap on accept. Okay, done. Now here we can see control center. So right now here we can see mobile data. So I am going to show daily and monthly data usage here. Again, go to MI Control Center, then scroll down and tap on data usage, then enable mobile data usage, tap on permit usage access, then tap on accept, then enable show today usage. Okay, done. Now here you can see today and this month data usage. If you don't want this transparent background, again go to MI Control Center, then tap on colors, then go to background type, then make the transparency 0 and tap on OK. See, so this way we can install MI Control Center in any Xiaomi devices. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.